County Police. I saw you sleeping in here, man.
Well, make sure you're all right, man.
My mom live right here.
You're sleeping with the car and drive.
Well, my mom live right here. Why are you walking up like...
You don't need to scream, man. We're just trying to help you out.
I'm okay. My mom live right here.
We're just out here, man, looking for stolen cars. We see you sleeping and you got weed sitting right there.
There's weed all over, man.
Make sure you're all right.
Bro, I'm not... My car not stolen.
Nobody said it was. We just said that's why we're out here.
That's why we're out here. We're looking for stolen cars.
All right, well, my mom live right here.
I'm gonna just pull him out real quick.
No problem.
Hop out for me real quick, man.
Dude, don't. Just cooperate. Okay, this is very easy.
If it's just weed, we don't give a shit.
Don't reach, man. Just hop up real quick.
That's all it is.
Okay. Do me a favor. Just hop out for me, man. Yo. Yo. Here, I'll keep that, please. Myself, we're out with a suspicious vehicle, Rosemont Avenue, East 27. Just give us a thing 100%. Stop the fucking car! Don't fucking do it! Don't do it! Do it! Don't do it! Shots fired. Shots fired. Vehicle is fleeing from us. We're backing up. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Dispatch.
Stop!
Shots fired.
Stop!
Don't fucking do it! Don't do it! Do it! Don't do it! Shit.
Dispatch.
Stop! Stop!
Shots fired.
Stop!